Dozer is going to demonstrate how to use the Solvit dog ramp that telescopes. I believe I have the large one, so I'll leave you the link in the description of the video. But Dozer, he's 13 now. Well, a little bit over 13. So he's gonna be a little old boy. But this ramp really helps him get in and out of the car, as you'll see. So today I'm just doing a review of the Solvit dog ramp. It's aluminum, and they do have a smaller size, but I got the bigger one, so it'd be longer to create less of an angle or climb for Dozer. So let's see what Dozer shows you about his ramp. Ride. Good boy. Good boy, girl. What's the best way to get your fur buddy to use a ramp? Let's see what he says. Well, Dad, I'm a little worn out. I don't really want to go over that right now. But the best way to get your fur buddies to go on a ramp is to lay it down on the ground flat. And then, after you lay it flat, you gotta get some treats. If you don't have treats, it's not gonna work. So, once you get treats, then you put your dog on a leash and you walk him across the ramp while it's flat. And then, after that, you just keep getting it a little higher and higher to the bumper level you need. And then, keep giving treats. A lot of treats. Because if you don't have treats, it's not going to work. So give lots of treats. But it's a lot of patience for both fur baby and the human. So once you get your fur buddy in, of course you gotta take him for a ride. I mean, you're not gonna put him through all that to not go for a ride, right? So we'll catch y'all later. Me and Dozer, we're gonna go for a ride with some air conditioning. So if you could please subscribe, like, and comment at the end of this video. In fact, if you made it to the end of this video, could you type the name Dozer, D-O-Z-E-R, in the comments to give Dozer a little credit for his video and hard work that he did today. So we really appreciate y'all, and thanks for watching again.